Hi guys, you are welcome back again to my channel. To my old returning subscribers, you guys know how we do it. I must appreciate you guys. Thank you all so much for your support and your love. I really appreciate, and may God bless you. And if you are just coming across my channel for the first time, this is your first time here, you're seeing my face for the first time, you're highly welcome as well. I welcome you with love. Thank you for stopping by. Kindly do me a favor by click that subscribe button down below. That red button where you see my face. Click on it. Remember to turn your notification on. When you click on the notification bell, it's going to show three options. So there is one says all, there's one says personalize, and the third one I forgot. So, but you just want to click on all. Click on all, that way you will get notification of my any video. Okay, thank you, and I promise you are not going to regret it ever. So you guys, in today's video I am going to be showing you guys, sharing with you how I choose song for my videos without copyright strike. Yes, on an Android phone, because I am using Android. And if you are an Android user like me, you want to sit back, make sure you watch this video till the end so you get to know how to choose right song for your video. Because to be honest, you guys, when I first started my YouTube channel, I don't know anything about copyright and all that stuff. I would just edit my video, and whenever I want to add music, I just go to the music in my device. You know, when you are editing video and you want to add song, it will take you to your device, or maybe some online music, which some of them have copyright, but you don't know. You can tell which one is the right one. So in fact, I actually have a copyright strike on two of my videos, I think. So I don't know, I was just doing my thing. I was just uploading my video, adding any music that I wanted to. But recently when I got my laptop, I just log in, go to YouTube Creator, and for me to see two of my videos says copyright claimer was written like capital letter. Then I shouted. I was like, what the heck? So, and thank God there's an option for me to choose. If you are editing on your laptop, you don't need this video, believe me, because when you are editing on laptop, it will just direct you to YouTube audio library, which all the songs right there are just non-copyright claimer. But on YouTube, on Android phone, there's nothing like that. You're editing video, you will just you will be direct to the audio on your device, or the audio on some online music like that, which is not right sometimes, you know. So I'm going to be showing you how you can do this, how you can choose the right song for your video. So let's get started, you guys. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do now is to go into my Android phone, go into that, and right there at the top you guys can see where there is a web browser. Yes, because we are doing this on the web browser, so I'm going to be clicking on the web browser right there at the top. So, and once I click in like so, here we are. It brings me to this page. So, and I will be clicking on this YouTube icon right here. If there's no YouTube, you can just type in the YouTube URL. You can type it in here in this search bar. But I'll click on the YouTube. I just click on YouTube, and now it brings me to this site. And this site, you guys, it says we have, at this side it says we have redirected you to the desktop website. You guys see that clearly? We have redirected you to the desktop website, and you want to come to this right corner right here at the top corner. Click on your picture right here. Once you click, it says Creator Studio. So that means we are going to YouTube Studio. So we are clicking on this Creator Studio. Okay. So once we are here, and you want to come to this side where it says all these things: video manager, live streaming, community, channel, analytics, translations, create. So we are going to click on this create. Click on create, and once you click on create, it says audio library and music policies. So we are checking the audio library first. So let's come here. At the top it says free music, sound effect. Browse and download free music for your project. So here, these are all the songs. You want to click, let's click and check. You see what it says? It says you are free to use this song in any of your videos. Like, you are free. So let's check here. So you want to come here to check here where there's this download arrow. You want to click on this arrow. Once you click on the arrow, it asks to download. Click on download, and it says added to download list. So we wait for that to complete. It says download complete. So which means you have this already saved in your device. So whenever you are just editing your phone, you're just editing your video on your Android phone, just go straight to your device to add any song of your choice. All this one you downloaded here, it's already saved in your device. So this way you can just choose to save any song you want, save them here, and go back to your editing. So, and here I want us to check on this sound effect. Click on sound effect, and you can actually find any sound effect you might be looking for. Name it, anyone you might think you want. They are all here. You see, it says 50 call, gun cork, and dry fire. So you want to do the same thing at like you did first time. Click on the arrow, click on the download arrow, and it's already download, and it will be saved on your device. It will be saved there. So let's come here to the music policy. Here, click on the music policies. Okay, so once we click, it said this directory list song and their current policies set by the copyright holders. So all these songs are, that means all these songs are not for use. Not like they are not for use, but if you use them, there might be any action. Let's click on this. It says if you use this song, playback blocked in 249 countries, advertising ads can appear. If you perform a cover, playback viewable everywhere except Switzerland, and all these things. And it says copyright owners can change their policies or take action on your video that differs from what's described here. So let's click on another one and check. This one says this song is not available for use in your YouTube videos. If you use this song, your video may be blocked or mute. You see? So you don't want to do that, and I will advise you check first before you download any song. So the next thing I want to show to you guys is how you can check your copyright status. How you can check if you have any copyright on your channel. So right here you want to click. So right here you want to click on channel. Click on your channel, and once you click, you see it says under it says status and features, upload defaults, branding advanced, and here it says copyright status. And let's check down. It says you have 0 copyright strikes. We are good. And community guidelines status. It says you have 0 community guidelines you have 0 community guidelines strikes. So which means you are good. And in case this is in case if you are not doing this on your laptop, because if it is on laptop you can just see it easily, because believe me, this has happened to me before when I was just doing my own thing on my Android phone, uploading video, download YouTube App Studio, check all my things, and I didn't even know about copyright and any other things. I'm just using any song, like any song that I found on my device, or maybe any online music, not knowing the copyright has been taking over my video. So not until I log in my account on the laptop, that's when I saw that I actually have copyright. So if you are not doing this on laptop, you're still using your Android phone, you can easily see the copyright status, your copyright status, and the community guideline status. So that is that, and I hope this okay you guys, this is going to be the end of this video, and I hope you guys really find it helpful. If you do, kindly give it a thumbs up.